Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Marx 666 that arrived today. As you see, I've done a bit of cleanup on it, cleaned up the shell somewhat, installed the bezel, got the headlight wired and installed, E-unit is working, smoke generator is working. So just want to do a quick video. As you see, it actually is 1,000% better than when it arrived, and it's actually running quite well. So without further ado, let's take this around, still pulling 18 Lionel cars, and it now has a working headlight. So headlights installed, it is smoking. So all I need to do is add a front and rear truck and it's a complete 666. So was it worth 10 bucks? You know, a few hours of my time, if that. And this is actually running quite well. So a front and rear truck, you have a decent running 666. This is by no means a prize. And this thing was junk when it arrived. Literally junk. And I bought it just for parts. But I always try to see if I can get a motor running before I disassemble it. And literally an hour and a half, and this was up and running. So I went ahead and wired up a headlight, and I will very likely add the front and rear trucks. And it's nothing special, but the neat thing about it is I resurrected this thing from the dead. You know, this was just pure junk. It was going to wind up in the parts box or a trash can, very likely. Just in absolutely dreadful condition. But a few minutes work, it's up and running. Has a working headlight, working E-unit, and working smoke generator. 10 bucks, and I had the fun of bringing this thing back to life. So add the front and rear trucks. You've got a decent Marx 666 smoker for $10. Really difficult to beat that. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.